Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to another video. So let's get started without wasting much time because I have very less time and I'm really sorry for starting the stream very late. I had some time, so that's why I was not available here. And we'll go. I think the last time when I live streamed, the trade was at here. This was the buying area. Those who remember, right? And this was a kind of a trap here. After trap, there was a retracement, and in the confirmation, we took entry, stop loss, and guys, right? And the target was somewhere around here. And if you notice, the slowly, our target got hit in the gold live trading, right? So this was it. And before that, we also had one more trend. If market reaches to a selling zone, we are going to short it here till this level, right? And those who know, that also worked, but it didn't trigger our entry, because if you remember, or if you see the chart clearly here, you will notice that it has like given a short breakout. I thought it will reverse from this level, but it just created a fake breakout, consolidated, and a breakdown candle, retest candle, and it started slowly, very fast downside momentum, right? So it directly reached our support zone. It took support, created a fake breakdown, and after the breakdown it reverses. It broken all the swings here, swing here, showing some positive momentum. And those who remember, after positive momentum we have to take some buys entries, right? And also we have marked our buying zone nearly around the same level. If you want to take entry, you can like mark Fibonacci from bottom to top. You will get 0.5 level respect, right? I will just delete this buying zone here, delete this entry or remove this entry. You will notice that this is the 0.5 level. Even you can consider this also, that is also fine. You will notice that this was the buying area and market really tapped here. If you want to go in like here, if you want to get another confirmation, you see there is a support, there is a support, there is support. This was the breakdown, and again market reverse. So here also you will get another chance to enter in the market, probably keeping SL below the level or below the first support. I mean, this is the immediate support. Here we have support, so we'll keep this SL, and target will be probably around this level, which is 1:2. And if you notice that it has already hit 1:2, even it has climbed till 1:4, and that's how you have booked a good profit in this trade, right? Let me delete this everything right now in front of you, and just will keep this entry. We'll just modify the SL, because if you notice that if market reverses from this level, there is going to be this SL, because it started going up, it has crossed the previous swing. Now there is no meaning of putting SL like this, right? Are you getting my point? Once it hit 1:2, then we don't need to worry about anything in this trade, right? So let's just get started here. This was the day second, where especially I seen in the market, this was a huge downfall momentum. This was another a good consolidation. There was this first downfall momentum, and at this level we have seen some kind of a engulfing candle, right? And for this engulfing candle, there was some retest consolidation. So I thought taking off negative entry, because it was showing kind of a negative trend. The day low was also broken, right? But here the thing changed. It goes opposite to my condition. I took SL and I was out from the trade. If you notice, you will notice this entry. There was also a retest level on. Let's switch. Let's switch to the 1 minute time frame. You'll notice everything, guys. Huh? Let's go back here, and I will tell you in detail whatever the logic that I applied here. Right? See, there is a swing high here. There is a swing low here, right? And if I extend a bit here, you will notice that this is the resistance zone. Are you getting a point? This is the selling zone. Let's say this as a selling zone and delete this Fibonacci. Delete this, right? Now for this selling zone, we know that market always creates some trap. See, market retested here, created some trap, then it has broken the previous two swings, right? For this downfall, this was a retest, and we took entry somewhere around here, and it reversed. I mean, we were planning to take some kind of a good trades here. Are you getting my point? So for this also, you can mark there is a top, there is a bottom, and you will notice till this, you will notice it is taking resistance from 0.618 level, 0.5 to 0.618 level. And the same also we have marked. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. You will notice there is a small selling zone also I have marked, right? So these are the confirmations. That's why I took entry somewhere around here. Let's say stop loss was like this, and the stop loss got hit. Target was like this one. Let's say this one is the target. We also have some confirmation on the target also. The first target should be like there is a swing low here and there is a swing high here, right? So this is going to be like the buy zone for the market, right? So we have to plan our trade somewhere, I mean first target somewhere around here, right? But I have noticed there are a strong sell off coming in the market. See, strong sell off, and there was a time correction or a big consolidation. So I was expecting first move, second move, and third move, right? But it reversed and hit my SL because overall trend of the market was positive. If you are not sure about the trend, you can go back and watch my previous video, so that you will get to know why I was telling that that was a like it was a positive setup. Because on higher time frame, let's say on daily or hourly, this was the positive momentum, this was a retestment, there was some trap and market was trying to go upside, right? So and for this momentum also, if you switch back to the like 15-minute or hourly time frame, you will notice there was some one way rally. See, there was some one way rally and this was the retracement, right? So here we tried some buying entry here and it worked here. Are you getting my point? So here it worked here for this up move, this was the retracement. Are you getting my point? So if you remember it correctly, or if you apply the same thing, there is a swing low here and swing high here. Actually, this is usually I don't trade, I don't put this Fibonacci tool like this, because this is the latest swing, right? And we have to mark this Fibonacci only after break of the previous swing. Say if market goes above this and then returns, then we have to mark a Fibonacci like this. Let's just give me a moment. We have to mark Fibonacci like this and then we can try buying at this level. If the previous high is not crossed, then we can't do anything. Are you getting my point? So that's why it was like I have not tried like this. I thought it will create some kind of a scenario, and it has to like it taken resistance from same level, right? Here also it took resistance, but I didn't trade it here, right? See, there was the resistance, there was the resistance, there was the resistance, and this was the continuation, right? And confirmation was like this one. See, this is the swing which has been broken, this is the swing which has been broken. So the current pattern was like this. So I thought it will fill the gap, or it will come till retest on this trend line. Are you getting my point? It came to retest at trend line, but not here. Here it went up and again it took the liquidity and it again given some sale signals here, right? So this is what happened in the market for yesterday's, right? Okay, so let's just delete this and let's move to the today's session, right? So you know, you will see there is a session starting from here. This is the today's session, right? So what happened in the today's session, you will notice there was a support here. This support was given a breakdown, then it reversed and retested and going upside. So this is the current picture. But if you note down it correctly, I have marked some Fibonacci. I have some trend line going up in the market which is taking support. And in daily time frame, let's switch back to the daily time frame, right? See, hide everything, switch back to the daily time frame. I can see there is a sell off in the market, but after this bullish momentum, there is like a bullish candle, there are some consolidation going in the market, right? And we have our buying scenario in the market for higher time frame, so we are expecting it to reach till next resistance or continue its trend, because this looks like a trap. We have already discussed 2 days back in the previous video, right? So let's just switch back to the 4-hour time frame. If you notice on 4-hour time frame, previous 2 days, if you see like previous whole day, you will notice market went into consolidation, right? Let's just mark this consolidation. See, this is just a consolidation, right? And if you notice clearly here, there was just a trap here. Are you getting my point? This was just a trap here. You will notice the swing has been taken down and it started moving upside, right? So this was the small catch for today's trade, and let's just switch back to the hourly time frame. You will notice that there was no high taken from the market. See, with like there was no previous day high was taken in the market, and it has taken the low, and after the low it was showing some positive momentum. If you notice it clearly, you will see there is a huge red candle and there is no continuation candle, right? Even also it went up, it retested, again came down, but the low was not broken. Are you getting my point? So unless and until you put stop loss below the low and you target day high, if your SL hits, then you have to exit from the trade. If not hit, then you have to hold the trade. You can capture everybody's SL, because trend is like this. See, up move, retracement, and again up move. So there is a potential in the market that it can create another new high after hitting everybody's SL, right? Let's see, first time, second time, third time, fourth time, obviously it's going to break the high, right? So there are high chances. If it returns to the high, there are high chances it will break the previous high and move to the higher side. It is also showing on higher time frame, daily, 4 hour. Right? Are you getting my point? In hourly also, you can clearly see there was this sell off candle. It didn't continue. It went up. Let's switch back to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute also looks the same. Let's switch back to the 15-minute time frame. Now show every drawing here, right? We will unhide everything. See, if I hide everything, you will notice that there was a continuation candles, sell off candles. There is a green candle, and there is a some retest candle like structure. See, this candle also showing some kind of a bullish momentum. If I mark it correctly, see, this is the bullish candle. This green candle is the bullish one. See, up more retracement, and these are the bullish candles. Are you getting my point? These are indecision candles. That means there is no sell off coming in the market. If this support is broken, it has to go down. Are you getting my point? It has to go down. But these are indecision candles on a 15-minute time frame. Are you getting my point? So this is what gives us a multiple confirmation trade. Now again switch back here to the regular time frame, 15-minute to 5-minute time frame. You will notice this is the sell off candle, right? See, this was a breakdown candle. After that, it reversed, retested, and again going up. Are you getting my point? See, this was the dynamic support here. It given a breakdown and then it reversed. And after the reversal, you will notice swing has been broken, swing has been broken, swing has been broken, swing has been broken. So you can try multiple trades, or you can try adding position in your winning trade to hold it for big target. Are you getting my point? To hold it for big target, you can try that, right? So let's just move to the our trades. Hide. I mean, show everything. You will notice that I have marked some Fibonacci here. I will switch back to the 1-minute time frame so that you will understand why I took this trade. Right? See, you will notice there is a breakdown in the market. After breakdown, retest, and it has to go down. But it has broken the swing, Are you getting my point? And this was the support for me, right? This was the Fibonacci support. Let's say this was the dynamic support for me. It has created some kind of a fake breakdown here. And this was on a 5-minute time frame, not on a 1-minute time frame. In 1-minute time frame, we have understand it has broken the, let's say, swing here. Then also after that also it has broken the swing here, right? So if you miss taking entry here, you can re-enter obviously here. Are you getting my point? Or even you can enter here also. There are chances where you will get multiple time entries, right? Sometimes you will not get entry, so you have to be ready to take entry at this level. Sometimes market will give you entry if it goes into consolidation, right? But in consolidation also, your analysis should be perfect one. Your psychology should be matching to the market condition. If your psychology is opposite to the market condition, you can't take trade. You will hit your SL multiple times, same like us. Yesterday we took SL at this level, right? If we have thought it like this way, see, this is the like low, this is like a high, and market coming down to take support, or market coming down to fill the gap. If we have this mindset, we would have traded this. See, let's see guys, here also you will notice there is a one, see, this was the dynamic support. See, there is a support, and this is also support. See, this is the breakdown candle. After breakdown candle, market just break the low and it reversed, cross the swing. So here we don't need to take the trade because the sentiment has been changed here. Are you getting my point? And the next sell off was at which level? See, at this level, and sell off came, and there was one more sell off which is probably at this swing. See, you will notice at this swing, and here also it worked. So instead of shorting at this level, if we have shorted at this level, we will be out with CTC or with some profit. Or even if we have shorted at this level, we will be out. We will be not out because stop loss should be the above high, and here SL not taken, and here you will get another re-entry, or here you will get another chance to re-enter in the market, and you will book some profit. So here, instead of taking entry at this level by ignoring some conditions, we have made a loss. If we have avoided this trade, we have taken this entry or this entry, we would be having with very small loss or very small profit, or even we will be at CTC, right? So this is what happens in the market if we don't follow market psychology properly. And here I followed the market psychology. I know market was bullish, so I took this entry. If I remove this on 5-minute time frame, you will get this bullish sign. You will get this break of structure. You will get this break of structure, and you will get some kind of an entry at this level. You can try it like this way also. Stop loss is going to be like the low here, right? Here it went up from this level. That's why I modified my stop loss to this level, right? Are you getting my point? Previously, I kept SL at which level? See, at this level, I kept SL, right? The reason why I kept SL, let's just move this trade here. See, this was my trade, right? See, here this was the SL. Are you getting my point? This was the SL here, right? So it didn't hit it, right? You get multiple time entry here. you will get some confirmation candle here, and after that you got one other confirmation, and here also you are getting another confirmation. But now the selling zone is near, so you can't enter at this level, because for this momentum there is a retracement pending in the market. Those who know, they can watch the live stream. I think I have explained my every setup. See, let's say first move, second move, third move. Now we are expecting some kind of a big momentum where everybody's SL will get heated and market will follow the major trend. I mean, the major retracement, maybe time correction or price correction, right? So market will reach till this level, right? Market will reach till this level, it will come down here and then it will go up, right? So here in this range, avoid taking entries if market moved very much upside from your trade. Are you getting my point? So I think that's it for today, guys. And we have captured a good entry here today. Yesterday we have made a loss, but today we have made a good profit in this trade. It was early in the morning. I was about to start somewhere around here, but I got a call, and that's why I just missed the to explain the trade in the live stream, right, guys? So that's it for today, guys. We'll be avoiding the trade for next day. For today only, for the upcoming time. And if you want to take entry, you can plan like this way here. And if market gets somewhere around here, gives a trap, gives us entry. Same entry like this. See, here it created a trap here, and there was also a trap somewhere around here also, right? See, if you get any kind of a trap entry like this, you can plan entry after the breakout structure change of corrector, like that scenario, and then you can try entering in the market, right? The same entry we took here, if you get anything signal like this, we see this was the breakdown candle, it broken, it retested till 0.5, you got confirmation, you take entry, put the SL below the first swing, I mean not the recent swing, this is the latest swing. So put SL below the swing and target 1:2, book 50% quantity and hold the rest quantity till 1:3, 1:4, and then you can book the whole profit. Probably you will get 1:3 with the full quantity if your 1:4 get heated, right? And if you hit 1:5, 6, 7, then probably you will get 1:4, 1:5 also, right? 1:3.5, 4, 6, like this you will get, right? Here in this trade I got almost like 1:8, I guess. I think, yeah, 1:8 somewhere around I got it. But if you consider the whole quantity, I think it was around 1:5 or something, 5 or 5.5, somewhere around here. Overall I got profit, right? So anyhow, if you get entry here, chance to get a chance to enter at here after the trap, definitely you can try entering in this trade, because the trend is positive, and on hourly time frame also you will see there is a momentum in the market, bullish momentum, right? So market can go like this, and here is also, we can say there is a kind of a resistance level. So here market may consolidate and then it will give a target, but before that it will take someone's SL, and once it hits someone's SL, you can plan to enter after the confirmation, right? So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the tomorrow's live streaming, and have a good day. Bye bye, guys.